site itself was a Royal Ordnance Yard from 1750. We first got to hear about this when we were developing 9 houses on the waterfront, and we've subsequently taken that on to develop a further 30 houses here. And we've decided to really push the boundaries of low energy sustainable housing. When we were first appraising the site, what we wanted to do was to bring all of our knowledge of modern methods of construction, as well as energy efficiency and low zero carbon homes. But we also wanted to move away from the idea of using roof lights and actually making a roof window. And VELUX was something that worked very hard or very well with us to integrate that solution into our building. So even within a small dark room, actually you can create a very light feeling or spacious feeling room using their product. These homes are one of the lowest, if not the lowest, cost to run homes in the country. The reason for that is that we treat each individual home as its self-energy generating source, and we utilise the photovoltaic panels integrated with the VELUX windows into each and every home to deliver that. VELUX windows are the market leader in roof windows and providing integrated roof solutions. With this product, we were able to work with a backing panel provider to be the first in the country to integrate VELUX windows with photovoltaic panels and roof tiles all on the same plane. The integrated roof design that VELUX provides an aesthetically very pleasing look to the building, and we were able to overcome the issues or the concerns that we had with the conservation officers in this particular very sensitive location. Moving forward, every single building that we look at now, we look at integrating VELUX windows with photovoltaic panels and roof tiles. So much so that we're now looking at removing dormer windows from our houses and integrating VELUX windows because they actually bring more light into the room, are less visually intrusive to the streetscape, and actually make a better room.